Hey everyone, Jake here from Yates Precision. One of the most common questions we get asked is what's the difference between all of your safety razor models? So today in this video I'm going to quickly go over the differences between our winning Merica and Model 921 razor. As you can see here, we have our winning razor, our Merica razor, and our Model 921-M. We'll start with the winning razor. The winning razor is by far our easiest razor to use. So this is the one we suggest to beginners. It has a predefined angle cut into it versus a rounded top cap. So this sets the shaving angle for you. It's our mildest razor, but it's also quite efficient. So even though we recommend it to beginners, this is still one that if I'm shaving every day, I'll probably grab this razor the most often. It is a good all-around razor. It's an autopilot razor, so you don't really have to think about it too much. You can shave pretty quickly with it. You can shave against the grain pretty easily. It has a nice grippy handle. It only has one available base plate, so this is the only aggression that's available. Right now, it's currently only available in stainless. Occasionally, we'll offer it in titanium, but it's only available in stainless, and it's only available in this one finish, which is as machined. So that's our winning safety razor. It also has a magnet in the handle here, and that helps, if you get a blade on your wet counter. Sometimes that's hard to pick up with your fingers. The magnet helps pick that up. It also helps with blade changes, removing it from the top cap. So this is a good overall everyday shaver. If you're new to shaving or to wet shaving, this is a good one. Like I said, it sets the angle for you, but it also helps kind of train you because all of our razors are kind of operate at the same shave angle. So this kind of gets you in the habit of holding that correct angle. Next, we have our Merica razor. You can see that this razor has the more traditional rounded top cap versus a straight angle. So you have to hold it at the correct angle. Now this lets you change your shave angle a little bit based on what you prefer. It's slightly more aggressive than the winning razor. Still a very good, everyday shaver. And it can also handle some longer growth. You can see that the base plate is pocketed out and has big lather channels, so it clears out very quickly, very easily, so it doesn't get clogged. It has a very grippy handle. It has like this spiral knurling here. It also has the magnet in the handle. And this one is available in stainless, titanium, and brass. This is our titanium version. And you can also get 3 different engraving options. You can get no engraving on the top cap. You can get the American flag engraved here. Or if you choose the titanium option, you can get the titanium element engraved here. It's available in 3 different finishes in the stainless and titanium varieties. You can get as machined, you can get bead blast, and you can get stonewash. In the brass, it's only available in bead blast. This also only has one available base plate, so it's a milder shaver, but I wouldn't say it's a mild razor. It's just milder on our scale, but it's a very good everyday shaver, but also handles some growth. This is our flagship razor. So it is our Model 921. Yeah, this is the original razor, the original Yates Precision razor. This is our standard 921-M. So if you order just our 921-M off the website, this is what you'll get. You'll get our 4-inch handle, you'll get our M base plate, which is our mid-level base plate, and you'll get the YPM engraving on the top. The M plate is even slightly more aggressive than the Merica, but still a good everyday shaver. It's not too aggressive. Like I said, you get the long 4-inch handle, which some people prefer. If you just order the standard 921-M, it's only available in stainless, but it is available in 3 finishes: our as machined, our bead blast, and our stonewash finish. Now, if you were to opt for our BYOR, or build your own razor, you can build our Model 921 to your liking. You can choose from 3 different base plate aggressions in 4 different safety bar configurations. So you have 12 different base plate options. You can also choose from brass, stainless, or titanium. And you also have the option, if you choose our BYOR, you can do a variety of engraving on the top cap, on the base plate, and you can choose from, upload your own logo. You can do, I mean, pretty much anything. The sky's the limit. Like I said, if you do the BYOR, it's available in titanium and brass, bunch of different finishes. So if you're looking for versatility, our Model 921 is probably the way to go, because you can, at a later date, just buy individual base plates. Maybe you want to step up the aggression or change your safety bar configuration. You're able to do that, whereas these two only come with one base plate and only available in one base plate. I hope that video helps a little bit. All 3 of our razors are great everyday shavers. Some are more tailored towards beginners, and you can kind of step your way up. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to support@yatesprecision.com. And yeah, like I said, if you have any questions, reach out. And I hope you enjoyed this video. So thank you.